In this tutorial I will show you how to create such these creative restaurant grand opening flyer design step by step in Adobe Photoshop. Copy these overall settings and create new document of 2000 by 2500 pixels. Press Ctrl+R to enable ruler. Left click and drag to add guide and center. Then from Fill or Adjustments select Solid Color. Copy this hex code for background color. Then from File place Vegetables image. To download these images, link is provided in description, check it out. Place it on top. From blend mode select soft light. And keep opacity to around 75%. Then place shape image. Select curvature pen tool. Left click to add nodes and trace it. Follow the process accordingly. After creating shape from top panel, change fill color as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. Keep stroke to none. After tracing, delete shape image. Then place vegetables doodle image. Hold Alt key between two layers to add clipping mask. Resize the image using Alt key and place it accordingly as shown. Then from blend mode select color dodge. And keep opacity to around 30%. Select all background layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as background. Then select rectangle tool. Left click to insert its width and height. Copy these sizes. Select this point and drag inside to add curve edge. From properties, keep fill as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. And keep stroke to none. Place the rectangle accordingly. Hold Alt key and left click on layer to enable selection. Then from select modify from that contract. Keep contract by 55 pixels. Then from fill or adjustments select solid color. Select any color randomly. Again select rectangle tool. Copy these rectangle sizes. Follow the same steps as we have used in earlier rectangle. Place it accordingly. Hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a copy. Place the rectangle copy layer below rectangle 1 layer. Then select rectangle 2 layer. Double click to enable layer style. From layer style, enable drop shadow. Copy these overall drop shadow settings. Then hold Alt key, left click and drag drop shadow effect to other rectangle layers to add same drop shadow effect. Select top layer. From file, place dish to image. Resize and place it accordingly. Hold Alt key between 2 layers to create clipping mask. Place the image accordingly. Then select all related layers using Shift key and group them. Similarly, add images to remaining rectangle shapes. Group the layers and name it accordingly. Then select all 3 groups and group them. Name it as dishes. Then select Type tool. Left click to add text. From Properties, copy font style. Copy text settings as well. Copy this hex code for text color. Type grand text here. Position it accordingly. Then hold Alt key, left click and drag to make a copy of text. Select text and from Properties, overall settings will remain same, only change text size to 75 points. Type opening text here. Position it accordingly. Using Type tool, add text. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Then type delicious Turco restaurant text here. Select all text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as header text. Select Type tool. Left click to add text. From Properties, font style and color will remain same. Make changes in text settings. Type all flavors awaits you text here. Position it accordingly. Make a copy of text using Alt key. From Properties, change text color. Select color using eyedropper tool or copy this hex code for text color. Type at opening on May 2026 text here. Position it accordingly. Make a copy of text. Select text and type I letter. Select the text and from Properties change text size to 60 points. Change color using eyedropper tool. Or copy this hex code. Position it accordingly between two text. Select iText layer, right-click and convert to Smart Object. Using Type tool, left-click and drag to make selection. From Properties, copy font style and text settings. Copy this hex code for text color. Add restaurant specialty description text here. Position it accordingly. Make a copy of text using Alt key. From Properties, change text size to 14 points. Change color using eyedropper tool. Add website text here. Position it accordingly. Then select all related text layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as footer text. Then select Ellipse tool. Left-click and copy these sizes. From Properties, change fill color as per the hex code. Copy this hex code. And stroke will remain as none. Position it accordingly at right bottom as shown. Now select Rectangle tool. Copy these sizes. Fill color will remain same. Place it accordingly at right bottom. Then from File, place QR code image. Place it in right bottom above rectangle shape. Select both shape and image layer using Shift key and group them. Name it as QR code. Now from File, place tablecloth image. Resize and place it accordingly at right top corner. Double-click on layer to enable layer style. From layer style, enable drop shadow. Copy these overall drop shadow settings. Make a copy of image using Alt key. Right-click on image to flip it horizontally. Similarly, flip it vertically. Place it on left bottom. Double-click to open drop shadow settings. Change its angle to around 140 degrees. And keep distance to 0. Leftover setup will remain same. Select both layers using Shift key and group them. Name it as tablecloth. Then press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key to create merged layer. Name it as final. Lastly, from View, select Guides, then Clear Guides. This is the final result. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more related stuff like these. Don't forget to enable bell icon to get notified when I upload new tutorials. Also follow me on my social media handles to stay connected. Thank you.